Dimming. You may have seen other videos and the dimming. These are Bluetooth, Lifesmart Bluetooth with popped smart. Can you see that? If I say something and just fake it, if I say something to that, see me with their music, enjoy music in chorus. Hello, 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 hello. Yes, that's not cool. And you can see here, say. I don't think it's good. I don't like this. Here's a smart, and here's the color. You can see the more color here. More color. And a different choice if you want, but actually I don't like. And you have some fin. Change automatically. Grass, oceans, orange, ice cream. Pizza. Do you like that? No, I'm sorry. Go there. Rice. Okay. Next, Lifesmart Bluetooth app. I don't like this. It's not very good. Okay, let's turn it down. Let's turn it off. Fine. Okay, now unblocked. You can see here. There's some symbol here. Is the model number and 6 voltages and Bluetooth symbols. FCC ID. Here's the logo Lifesmart. Unscrew it here. Ethernet 7 popped is very small. It's quite small. Okay. Let's chat this one. 15 mm. It's about 18. The length is 110 mm. Okay. Now I want to use these tools to remove this. To remove this cover. Okay, let's chat. Here you can see. Okay, that's cool. It's quite easy. If you pop here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can easily treat. Okay. Next, do something. Turn it on. Let's turn it on. The button is on. Whoa, very soft. Okay. Can you see? Dimming. Wow. Wow. Different color. Different color. You can see that it's changing. The RGB ID bulb is changing. And if I try to stay, wow, it's too bright. I don't like this without the cover. Okay, let's turn it off. I'm sorry. Propped and propped. Remove this. You can see that. What's inside on the ID board? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 LED PCBs and the 3 piece RGB. Right? Okay. Let's have a chat. Let's chat. 3 mm.